हाय गाइज व्हाट्सअप, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो आप लोग? ओके सो आज का जो वीडियो है ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ आई शेडोज़ के बारे में है। कुछ नए आई शेडोज़ आए हैं फ्रॉम डिलांची, फ्रॉम यू कैन बी, आई मैजिक से, ज़्यादा नहीं है, 5-6 हैं। सो आई थॉट ऑफ शेयरिंग दोज विद यू गाइज। सो अगर आप जानना चाहते हो कौन कौन से नए आई शेडो पैलेट्स इन सारे ब्रांड्स में लॉन्च हुए हैं, देन प्लीज़ कीप ऑन वॉचिंग। बट आगे बढ़ने से पहले सब्सक्राइब कर देना, बेल बटन पर हिट कर देना। ऑल्सो मेक श्योर टू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। माई हैंडल इज nidhi.167। कप्स एंड लैशेस को भी फॉलो कर लेना, देयर हैंडल इज कप्स एंड lashes and yeah, let's get started. तो सबसे पहला पैलेट जो है वो है डिलांची का हार्ट क्वेक आई शेडो पैलेट। दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक एंड अ लॉट ऑफ यू गाइज आस्क मी कि इंग्रेडिएंट्स क्या है। इसमें पैराबेन है, इसमें BHA है, इसमें डीमेथिकोन है, इट हैज़ टैल्क एंड माइका। सो दिस इज़ हाउ द पैलेट इज़। हाउ एवर दे डू मैंशन कि ये क्रूअल्टी फ्री है एंड इसकी एक्सपायरी 12 मंथ फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ ओपनिंग एंड दीज आर मेड इन PRC। सो दिस इज़ हाउ द पैलेट लुक्स लाइक एंड जब आप इसको अंदर से खोलोगे तो कुछ इस तरीके का ये दिखेगा। इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल ब्राइट कलरफुल आई शेडो पैलेट. I like it because it has like basic colors but you can do so many things with it. Like brown भी दिया हुआ है इसमें इन्होंने. They have all the shades of blue that you might use. Pink है, orange है, then you also have a light brown and a skin color to work on your lids. Green. I like this palette a lot. Let me swatch some of the shades for you. Probably this blue. Oh, this blue, just look at that. Look at all these colors. काफ़ी pigmented हैं. And yes, they are pretty pigmented. Oh, that blue is, oh my god, it has my heart. Okay, रुको, अब देखो. So these are all the shades and इसमें आपको एक मिरर भी मिल जाता है. सो द प्राइस एंड एवरीथिंग मैं स्क्रीन पे मेंशन कर दूंगी. अनदर आई शेडो पैलेट फ्रॉम डिलांची इज द लिटिल प्रिंसेस. जस्ट लुक एट हाउ क्यूट दैट पैलेट इज. ये है लिटिल प्रिंस एंड रोज आई शेडो पैलेट. इनफैक्ट ये जो रोजेज आपको यहाँ पे आई डोंट नो दिख भी रहे हैं या नहीं, बट ये एक्चुअली एम्ब्रोज्ड है, दे आर नॉट प्रिंटेड, सो दैट्स नाइस. सो ये है पैलेट एंड जस्ट लुक एट दीज डिजाइन. So this also has paraben in it. So this is how the palette is from the inside. You get a huge mirror and then you have all these colors. So इसमें 25 colors हैं. These are all the colors, you guys. It's pretty. It's such a pretty palette. मेरे को मन भी नहीं कर रहा मैं इसको touch करूँ. It's so beautiful. Let me swatch. Okay, so let me swatch this orange and this and this. And what else? This purple. So these are the 4 shades. Okay, and the pigmentation is quite nice. In fact, even the purple is nicely pigmented, जो कि बहुत मुश्किल होता है. I know that for the fact, and the pigmentation is really nice. Okay, जो next palette है ना, it's from iMagic, and guys, you're going to love it. This is how the packaging is, and ये ऐसी वैसी packaging नहीं है. It's actually a textured packaging. So this is how the palette is. I don't even know कि camera pick कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा, but this is all textured. It's all textured. It's white and इसकी expiry है 2023. And let me just open this up, and you'll cry like I did. So this is how the palette is. It is very similar to Jaclyn Hill Volume 2, you guys, and look at the colors. They are so pretty. Purples are there, reds are there. Yeah, you get so many colors. And yeah, let me know if you want to see a full-fledged eye makeup look with this palette, because I am excited. And in fact, this color that you see now, it's called Sparkle. This is actually not a shimmer shade, it's a pressed glitter. This one right here, it's a pressed glitter, and I am looking forward to try this out. This looks stunning. It's stunning. Next we have is the iMagic Professional Cosmetic Chalice eyeshadow palette, and oops, this is how it looks like. Let me इसकी भी expiry 2023 है, and this is how it looks like. Now the packaging of this is very similar to the Beauty Bay and Nikki Tutorials का जो palette आया था ना अभी, it's very similar to that, but this was launched before their launch, so I don't know if it was a copy or something, but this is how the palette is. Palette is very different from Nikki Tutorials palette, but you just open it like this and you just open it like that. Okay, so this is how the palette is. It's a pretty colorful eyeshadow palette, and I would say if you want just one eyeshadow palette that has almost all colors, I would recommend you to go for this one, because it has a purple, a blue shade, then a whole quad for quad 9 colors for green, and then 9 colors for the yellow or orange shade. In fact, this particular one, ये मुझे Nicka K का जो purple eyeshadow palette होता है, by the way that is also available on Cuffs and Lashes, बिल्कुल वैसा ही है ये, and the rest of these are very similar to the 9 colors from, you know, Huda Beauty or maybe from Swiss Beauty. So this is the Chalice eyeshadow palette. It's small and it has 36 colors in it. So yeah, and इसका ये जो ऊपर है ना, ये चीज़, it has a texture. This is not the usual, you know, just the print. It's beautiful and it has texture on it. Right, last but not the least, अपना दिल थाम के बैठ जाइए, because this is a massive eyeshadow palette. So I have the color shades now. Just look at this. It's not, ये बिल्कुल ऐसा लग रहा है ना जैसे किताब है ना, it's a book. So basically it's an eyeshadow book. So you get so many colors, you guys, so many colors, और वो भी एक एक थीम पर हैं. So you have the red, the purple, the green, and finally I think there is a blue also. No, तीन ही है अच्छा इसमें. Okay, so there are 3 slates only. So you get this red one, then you get this purple one, and then you get this green one. Just look at the colors. Okay, so green वाले में actually आपको blue और green का mixture मिल जाता है. Also matte shades हैं, shimmer shades हैं, and it also has glitters in it. So which is great. मैं स्क्रीन पे swatches डाल दूंगी. So again this one also has glitters, and then यहाँ पे ये पूरा neutral है, and you have this purple, and यहाँ पर is a mix of red, orange and yellow. This is crazy, and guys this is very affordable, because आपको इसमें मिल जाते हैं, let me just count, get 72 freaking eyeshadow in this small little book. आपको बड़ा बड़ा कैरी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, and this is really affordable. I know this is I think under 2000 rupees में है, and you get almost everything in this book. I am happy. I really liked it, and I would highly recommend, अगर आप मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हो या just starting out and बहुत सारे आई shadow palettes नहीं लेने, go for this. You are just starting out on YouTube, go for this. You are a beginner, you just want one palette to have everything, go for this. This is such a versatile eyeshadow palette, and you guys get 72 freaking eyeshadows in this. Is amazing. ठीक है? So that was the last eyeshadow palette in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and if you did, make sure कि वीडियो को आप like कर दे, subscribe कर देना. All the buying links are in the description box, so make sure to check them out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.